Changing out the headlights on 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee TrailHawk. Gone through this a couple times now. Ordered some LEDs to HID conversions from a company that shall remain nameless. I'll put it in the description later. But they were dead on arrival. So I got some cheap Auxbeams that I'm going to put in. Piece of cake. All of these come up, all these tabs, 2 bolts, 3 bolts, 10 millimeter right there. More pop-ups, pop-ups, 2 bolts, pop-ups, real well. Top got a bolt. This pops right out. Other side. You don't have to take the bottom off to get the headlight out. You can to make things easier, but you don't have to. There we go. Got it popped out far enough. Unbolted the headlight right there. It'll pull forward. You can undo the 4 tabs on the bottom if you want to pull the whole nose piece off, but not necessary. Get the headlight out. Rubber cap on the back, which is disintegrating on this one. Oh yeah, that's in great shape. Fuck. Well, yours shouldn't do that. Now I've got to get new ones, but you can see in there. There's the bulb. Just twist it, and it pops out. There we go. Pop the little clip up, pull that one out. Put the new LED in. Get it back in there. Line the notches up. Twist it back in. Then you go test it and see if it flickers. That's our color and brightness in Off-Road 1.